Hello and welcome to Payments to Trade Payables Budget. So here we're going to go through a question. So we've got the required. What are we going to do? Calculate payments to trade payables for July to December using the following information. So part A, the amount of trade payables at the 1st of July is £12,000. Part B, credit purchases are budgeted to be £25,000 per month in July and August, £30,000 per month in September and October, and £34,000 per month in November and December. And we're told in part C, half of the trade payables allow a cash discount of 3% and are paid in the month of purchase. And in part D, the remainder of trade payables are paid in the month after purchase without cash discount. So in my solution below, I've got put together a little template for us. So payments to trade payables, I've got the months across the top, July, August, September, October, November, December. And just for the workings out to help us, I'll put down the actual credit purchase for each month. So July is 25,000, August 25,000, September 30,000, October 30,000, November 34,000, and December 34,000. And that's all come from this part B there. The information comes all direct from there. Now, I'll come back to part A in a few moments. Let's look at part C. Half of the trade payables allow a cash discount of 3% and are paid in the month of purchase. So, in the month of purchase row then, we're going to pay half of our trade payables, so half of the credit purchases for the month. So, for July, it's going to be 25,000 times 50%, which is 12,500. So, August is going to be the exact same, so it's 25,000 credit purchases. September, it'll be half of 30,000, so it's going to be 15,000, and likewise for October. And in November, it's going to be half of 34,000, which is 17,000, and then likewise for December. Now, again, we're told we're going to receive a cash discount of 3%, so it's going to reduce that amount by 3%. So for July, 3% of 12,500. So we're going to get a discount of £375. Now, August will be the same, because we've got the monthly purchase of 12,500. September, it's going to be 3% of 15,000. October, 3% of 15,000. November, 3% of 17,000, which is £510. And likewise again for December, is £510. Then it says in part D, the remainder of trade payables are paid in a month after purchases without discount. So month after purchase. So in July, we're going to pay the amount outstanding in June. And the amount outstanding in June goes to part A. The amount of trade payables at the 1st of July, the beginning of the month, which relates to the end of June, is £12,000. So there we go, and you have the £12,000. In August, we'll have the amount that remains at the end of July. So July, the total was £25,000 credit sales, and half of them were going to be paid in the month of sale. That means the other half will be paid in a month later. So that's going to be 25,000 times 50%, or half of them. Now, likewise then, in September, we're going to receive the balance of August. So again, it's 15% of 25,000. That's £12,500. In October, we're going to receive the balance of the 30,000 less the 15,000. So that then is going to give us another £15,000. Likewise, in November, we're going to receive the 30,000 in October less what was received in October, 15,000. So that's going to be £15,000 again. And in December, again, it's going to be November's 34,000, take away the 17,000, that's going to give us then our £17,000. So the payment for the month in July is 12,500. Subtract 375 plus 12,000, that's going to give us 24,125. August can be similar. 12,500 purchase, cash discount 3%, But the month after purchase is 12,500 this time, giving us a total payment for the month of 24,625. September, we got the 15,000 paid in a month, less the cash discount of 450, plus the 2,500 from the previous month, which was paid in September, giving us a total payments for the month of 27,050. October, we got 15,000, take away 450 plus 15,000. That's going to give us 29,500. November, 17,000 minus 510 plus the 15,000. It's going to give us a total of 31,490. And December, 17,000, take away 510 plus 17,000, going to give us a total of £33,490. So that's our payment to trade payables budget.